Hey there, money magicians! Are you ready to turn your debt into dust? Let's talk about the secret ingredient that can keep you motivated. Your why, spoiler alert. It's more powerful than a double shot of espresso. Welcome back to Penny Smart Reminders. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of savvy savers. Today, we're diving into a game-changing tip for your debt-free journey, writing down your why, and putting it where you can see it every day. Trust me, this is the magic potion you didn't know you needed. First things first, what do I mean by why? Your why is the reason you want to become debt-free. Is it to travel the world, buy your dream home, or maybe just to stop stressing about money? Whatever it is, it's your personal motivator, and it's time to give it the spotlight it deserves. Now, let's talk about why writing it down is so important. When you put pen to paper, you're not just jotting down words, you're solidifying your commitment. It's like making a promise to yourself. Plus, seeing your why every day serves as a constant reminder of what you're working towards. It's like having a personal cheerleader, but without the pom-poms. Okay, so where should you put this magical why? Get creative. You could stick it on your bathroom mirror so you see it while brushing your teeth, or maybe on your fridge, right next to that leftover pizza calling your name. You could even make a fun poster and hang it in your workspace. The key is to place it somewhere you'll see it daily, so it keeps you motivated and focused on your goals. Now, let's add a little flair. Don't just write it down, make it colorful. Use markers, stickers, or even doodles. The more fun and visually appealing it is, the more likely you are to engage with it. Plus, who doesn't love a little arts and crafts session? It's like a mini therapy session, but with glitter. Let's get real for a second. There will be days when you feel like throwing in the towel. Maybe your favorite pair of shoes is on sale, or you're just having a rough day. That's when your why comes in clutch. It's your anchor, reminding you of the bigger picture. So, when temptation strikes, just look at your why and remember why you started this journey in the first place. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a pen, find a spot, and write down your why today. And if you're feeling extra inspired, share it with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear what motivates you on your debt-free journey. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Penny Smart Reminders for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, your why is your superpower. Use it wisely. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and make your why shine. And don't forget to share your progress with us using #PennySmartReminders. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it fun.